Hey guys, it's Amy the Keto Queen in the kitchen. Excited for dinner tonight. We're making a super fast, delicious meal. Guys, if you're looking for something fast and easy that your family will love, this is gonna hit the spot. It's a cheesy chicken taco bake. And look, I've already got it finished. It's pretty much done. I've got my oven on 350. What we did is take some pretty bell peppers. I used 2 red and 1 yellow bell pepper. We just sauteed that, guys, in a garlic butter. The key to this recipe is garlic butter. You can make your own or you can use one. I'm going to show you the one I'm using. And then we just sauteed the peppers in the garlic butter and seasoned it with just a little bit of taco seasoning. You can use any taco seasoning or fajita seasoning that you love. This one is Flavor God's Taco Tuesday. I love it. And then we just put those peppers over here out of the way. And then we took some chicken. I used about 4 big chicken breasts. I cut them into bite-sized pieces. The same thing, guys. We sauteed it in that butter. I'm fixing to show you the butter I used. And then we seasoned it just with a little bit of the taco seasoning. So now we're just going to put this in the dish together. We're going to mix it up really well, and we're going to top it off with some cheese. Now, it's a taco bake, so I would recommend like a Mexican blend cheese. I don't have none. So we're using cheddar and mozzarella for this dish. But all we're going to do is mix this together, cover it with the cheese you love, put it in the oven for about 20 minutes is all you need because it's already cooked. We're just waiting on the cheese to melt. And you've got a delicious creamy chicken taco bake that you actually can eat right out of the pan, or you can wrap it in the low-carb tortillas. My family loves to wrap it in the low-carb. I usually just eat it right out of the pan. Now, I do have the chicken that I'm pulling out of that butter, but I'm actually going to put a little bit of butter on top of this dish and a little bit more seasoning. Now you can taste it to see if it's got all the taco seasoning that you want. You also can use fajita seasoning, and then let me give you one more secret. You don't even have to use that. You could just cook it in the garlic butter and top it off with the cheese you love, and you've got a delicious meal. Haley and my mom like it best without the taco seasoning, but Ricky likes a little taco or fajita seasoning. So we're going to take this, and before I mix it up, I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit more butter. Guys, if you've ever been to Sam's or Costco, they have this Chef Chamois flavored butters. It's Chef Chamois flavored butters. This one is a garlic herb, and I'm telling you, it is so good. Now, you can make your own garlic butter, though. It's so easy. All you do is melt the butter in the skillet or in your pan with your cooking, and you just add garlic powder. And you can add oregano and parsley and just make your own garlic butter. But I'm using this one because it's delicious. And we're just going to mix this all together. I'm going to top it off with just a little bit extra sauce. And then we're going to top it with cheese, put it in the oven, and let it melt. Guys, you got dinner ready in a very fast hurry. Right, so if this sounds good, give me some hearts and share this video. My family is here, so I'm fixing to mix this up and then let you guys go so I can go have some conversation and some laughs with them before I start packing. I'm leaving this weekend for a trip to Texas. I'm so excited for it because we're going to be talking about the next era of health, guys. I've got something so amazing coming your way. Whether you're a customer or someone who's just looking to live better longer, I've got something pretty awesome coming. And then also there's an opportunity. So if you want to join me in business, I would love to talk to you about that. Right now it costs $1 to join my business when you purchase one of the promoter packages. And we have a mini max and mega pack. All right, let me put some cheese on this, and I'm going to let you guys go so I can visit with the family before I leave town this weekend. And I'm so excited. So if this sounds good, guys, go ahead and give me some hearts and share this video. I'm fixing to show it to you. I'm just kind of stirring it up so I want to make sure there's vegetables and protein in every bite. When we start to scoop this up, I want to make sure it's equal amounts. So that's the only reason I'm kind of stirring the mess out of this. All right, let me show you. This looks so good. It's going to taste absolutely fantastic. All we got to do now is add our cheese and stick it in the oven. So guys, look at that. It's so yummy. You can eat it right out of a plate. Just scoop it onto a plate and eat it. Or you can add the low-carb tortillas and wrap it up just like a little burrito, I guess. I can't think straight. So guys, if you're interested in talking to me about the business of joining me in what I do, which is helping people live better longer, helping people feel their best, helping people grow 1% better every single day by drinking ketones, then in the comments say give me a $1 or a dollar sign. That $1 or $1 sign is going to tell me that you're interested in information. I would love to talk to you about it because, guys, it's amazing. I've helped so many thousands of people, and I love helping people, and my family has been 100% rewarded for it. So being there for others and just sharing what God gave me, which is just a gift of encouragement, has truly helped me have tons of opportunity for my family. So if you want to join me, just say $1 or put a dollar symbol in the comments. And guys, that's it. Dinner is going to be ready in about 20 minutes just to load this in. Y'all have a great night, and we'll visit my family, and I will talk to all of you later. Bye, guys.